I'm going to show you how to find your memories on Facebook. So there's two ways we can do this. The first way, let's go to our Facebook account, and you want to go to the three lines at the top left-hand corner from your Facebook homepage. And you're going to have a drop-down menu of some of your shortcuts here. But these are all of the things that are associated with your Facebook account. If you're looking at Marketplace and groups that you're in and all these things, but you do have a memories area. So you can go ahead and click on memories. And this will bring you to your memories section where it will randomly show you memories from certain days on certain years and things like that. So you can always go through and filter and see what is coming up on your memories. Another thing you can do is, if you forget about doing that, go ahead to the magnifying glass at the top right hand corner, and you can actually just go ahead and type in memories, and that's going to bring you to your memories in that same page. Another thing we can do once you're here is actually you have settings within your memories. So go ahead to the gear icon at the top right hand corner, and we can go to our memory settings. And from here, you have a lot of options about hiding memories, certain people that you want to hide memories from. You can go ahead and mess with your notifications on what memories do you want to be notified about. You can have highlights or just all of your memories or just none. Doesn't really matter. So you do have some options here to really go through and customize what memories you see, who they're from, notifications. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to find